Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to add captions for YouTube Shorts in 2025 so that the video is quite clear, eye-catching and perfectly synced. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to use Wondershare Filmora for this purpose, but you can also use other softwares like CapCut, Clipchamp or Final Cut Pro. So here you need to simply import your shorts video, then you need to drag it and drop it here in the timeline. So as you can see, my video is landscape. So first of all, I'm going to be changing its resolution and I'm going to select 9:16, which is the shorts format. And now it is looking something like this. In order to add captions, click on the option of titles here in the top. Over here in the trending tab, you will see a bunch of different free caption templates like this one that you see over here that has black border, like this one that also has the black border but it is quite different than the previous one. You can also see the borders that has nothing over here, just like so. These are quite simple, so whichever you like you can add the captions over here just like so. After that, you need to double click on the caption and start typing your script word by word over here. You need to make sure that everything is actually syncing, so you need to do it just like so. Once you are done editing, click on the option of export in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to simply give the name to your short and then click on the option of export. Once you have successfully exported the video that has the captions enabled, you need to come here in your YouTube studio, then click on the option of create in the top right hand corner of the screen. From here, you need to upload that video which you have exported from Filmora. Once you see it over here, you will be able to basically provide the title of the video, the description, and you can publish this video. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.